This high-quality home in Highland Springs should be high on your home search list. Check it out.
Welcome to your dream home. Nestled in a great neighborhood in Highland Springs, this 4-bedroom, 3-bath property is situated on 1.06 acres of land and offers an open floor plan that's perfect for hosting family and friends. With a formal dining room, chef's kitchen with granite, gas stove, and microwave garage, this one will fit all your cooking needs. The owner suite is isolated with a deluxe bath with a jetted tub and separate shower with a large closet. The 4th bedroom is isolated. There's plenty of outdoor space to enjoy. You won't want to miss out on this opportunity.
This heavenly home in Highland Springs will make you happy, and you will be heartbroken if you miss it. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.